Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on Kroger. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser within which you have not logged out from your Kroger account. After opening it up, just type in kroger.com in the address bar and press enter. This will then take you into the Kroger website, within which you will directly be taken into your homepage and your user account, as you are already logged in. Now, if you wish to log out from your account, just click on your account name at the top right corner, and this will now show you the sign out button. Just tap on this button, and now you will be signed out from your account on Kroger right away. After you have been signed out, you will once again see the login button at the top right corner, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials if you wish to log back in once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on Kroger. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.